Hey everyone, welcome to my video review of the TEDS Woodworking program. My name is Paul, and today I want to share everything you need to know about this amazing program. I'll explain what it is, how it works, and why it's worth it. Plus, I'll give you some important tips and warnings to make sure you get the best experience with it. And just so you know, I've included the official website link in the description box below, so you can check it out for yourself after watching this video. What is TEDS Woodworking? TEDS Woodworking is an incredible online resource designed for woodworking enthusiasts of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, this program offers something for everyone. Here's what makes it stand out. Over 16,000 woodworking plans. You'll find detailed projects for furniture, outdoor structures, and decorative items. Step-by-step tutorials. The program provides clear instructions and video tutorials to help you complete your projects with ease. Exclusive bonuses. The program also includes tips, techniques, and guides to help you set up your own woodworking shop. And the best part, you get lifetime access. Once you purchase, you'll have access to all the plans and materials forever. This program is one of the most extensive woodworking resources available today. The instructions are beginner-friendly, and the content is designed to help you improve your skills no matter your experience level. Some key benefits include variety of projects. With over 16,000 plans, you'll never run out of ideas. User-friendly format. The step-by-step guides are easy to follow. Educational value. Learn professional tips and techniques to take your woodworking to the next level. Whether you're building furniture, creating decorations, or setting up an outdoor space, this program has everything you need to succeed. Important alert, it's crucial to purchase TEDS Woodworking only through the official website. This is the only way to ensure you're getting the original product. Be cautious of counterfeit versions sold elsewhere. To make it easy, I've included the official link in the description below this video. Don't fall for imitations. Stick with the trusted source for the best experience. Final thoughts. TEDS Woodworking is hands down one of the best resources for anyone passionate about woodworking. It's comprehensive, easy to use, and offers lifetime access. If you're ready to take your woodworking skills to the next level, check out the link below and get started today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this fantastic program as much as I do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful reviews. See you next time.